Hello everyone, today I am going to discuss from encoding to encryption. Each character in a string is represented by number that is stored in a computer as a binary representation. See the Python program to convert string into binary. Hello everyone is my input value. It is initialized to variable. Name is message. I inside the for loop is first character of string. I inside the ORD converts the first character into ASCII value. B inside the format function converts the ASCII of first character into binary. Join is used to join each converted character to form a string until the end of the string. See the output of converted binary values from string hello everyone. What is encryption? The sender wants to send a message hello for the purpose of keeping it secret or transmitting it privately. Here the text is encrypted by using the sender's public key. Cryptography is the study of encryption method, means its subfields of math and computer science. Ciphertext. Each character of the original message, called the plain text, is replaced by corresponding symbol or number from the cipher alphabet. The resulting code is called ciphertext. Next, encryption approach come in two flavors, private key and public key. First one is private key. The same key is used for encrypting and decrypting messages. Second point is all parties that wish to communicate need to know the key, but it must be kept secret from the outside the world. In public key system, there are separate but related keys for encryption and decrypting. Second point is knowing the encryption key does not allow you to decrypt messages. Means encryption key can be made publicly available while decryption key kept private. Third point is anyone can safely send the message using the public key. For encryption, only the party holding the decryption key will be able to decipher it. See this example. A secure website can send your web browser its public key, and browser can use it to encode your credit card information before sending it on the internet. Then only the company that is requesting the information will be able to decrypt and read it using the proper private key. Thank you.